Hello everyone, with you Jihad from Egypt. Today we will make a most famous and delicious dish in Badia of Egypt. It's called kabsa. This dish also used as a traditional dish of some Arab countries like Dubai. It's really delicious and it has high nutritional values. We can divide our recipe into 4 stages. The first stage is the meat cooking, second, the rice cooking, the third, the dough stage, and the fourth stage is mixing the three together. In this course, we will learn how to make this dish step by step with all details and all tricks. I hope you like this recipe. Let's start our course.